guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new to this channel, hi, my name is Ashi Khanna and I'd be really happy if you take a moment and subscribe to my channel below. Thank you so much for 500k and thank you so much for such an amazing response on my previous video. Like we crossed 1 million views and digest नहीं हो पा रहा मुझे. Like this was the quickest million views on my channel. Thank you so much first of all for that. And secondly, actually I'll be very honest with you, I was thinking of taking like a छोटू break from YouTube, like not a बहुत बड़ा वाला break, but just for a week or two like off, because I just was not feeling it. I don't know why, but then all of your messages and DMs and comments were flooded with just one question: next video कब है? So I just kept all of my thoughts aside and I was like, छोड़ो, let us just do it. But I think आज मैंने अपने वो सारे thoughts अलग रख के ready होके कैमरा खोला वापस and I was like, let's do this today. So keeping all my blabbering aside now, talking about today's video. So as you have read by the title, we are gonna try 5-minute craft makeup hacks which are supposed to be very viral on the internet. Like every especially makeup related channels, आप किसी भी makeup related channel पे देखोगे ये आपको ये वाला video मिलेगा ही मिलेगा. So I thought why not, let's just go for it. And I've picked out about 4 to 5 hacks that we are gonna perform today and see असली में कि वो असली में काम करते हैं या फिर what the hype is all about. Let's just jump into the video. So my first hack is wherein you can make a highlighter or a body shimmer using an eyeshadow or shimmery eyeshadow that you have, thoda sa eyeshadow, and coconut oil or any oil. Matlab I would prefer like the baby oil if you have, but I did not have it at the moment, so I am using coconut oil. So yes, I do have the coconut oil right here, thoda sa, and one empty container with me right here. So what am I going to do is I am taking my liquid eyeshadow. You can take your powder eyeshadow as well, बस ये ध्यान रखना थोड़ा shimmer हो इसमें तो it would be much better, because we are making a highlighter, like a creamy highlighter or a body shimmer. But I am aiming for body shimmer, because highlighter, oil on foundation not so much, but oil on body, yes please. So I'm just gonna do this in front of you guys. I'm taking like this golden champagne color तो नहीं कहेंगे इसको, but golden color, and I'm just putting a bit इसमें. Drop in any ideas if you want like me to do on my channel. I would surely do that for you guys, because currently my mind is all drained. I'm dipping my brush in this oil वाला container and उधर से oil लेके आएंगे हम और इसमें डब 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 डब, and once more the same डब 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 डब. मतलब जितना ऑयल डालना है आप डालो पहले. Like you'll have to balance the quantity of the shadow and oil that you are using. So मैं accordingly ही उसको mix कर रही हूँ, जबकि I think oil ज़्यादा हो गया है. Guys मैंने बहुत ही beautiful blunder करा. जो मैंने brush use किया था उस पर already थोड़ा red shadow लगा हुआ था, and when I dipped it in oil and mixed it with the eyeshadow, वो पूरा रेड हो गया. वाओ, लव माई सेल्फ. प्लीज़ मेरे जैसे बेवकूफ़ी मत करना एंड यूज़ अ क्लीन ब्रश फॉर दिस. आई डोंट नो मेरा दिमाग कहाँ था जो मैंने चेक भी नहीं किया वो क्लीन है कि नहीं, क्योंकि मुझे ऊपर से दिख नहीं रहा था बट अंदर उसमें कलर लगा हुआ था. सो आई एम डूइंग इट अगेन इन अ फ्रेश कंटेनर, बिकॉज उसमें मैंने वॉश करने का ट्राई किया बट पानी सूखा नहीं थी जल्दी. अरे इसमें है भी कि नहीं, तो मैंने कभी यूज़ भी नहीं किया. ख़त्म कैसे हो गया? पड़े पड़े आई शेडो ख़त्म हो जाते हैं. आपको दिख रहा है? कुछ दिख नहीं रहा होगा, मैं आपको लगा के इफेक्ट दिखाऊंगी इसका, टू सी इफ दिस वाज अ सक्सेस और अ फेल. ओ माय गॉड, ओ माय गॉड, कैन यू सी दिस? कैसे दिखाऊं मैं? Guys, can you see the shimmer on my hand? Like it's so beautiful. ये देखो. Wow. I really love this. बस it smells like coconut oil, obviously, because that was the ingredient. But if I rub this on my palm, just look how shimmery and glowy my palm is right now. I hope camera is catching all those shimmer. So I give this 8 out of 10 because इसमें थोड़ा सा चमकी दिख रहा है, but that obviously depends on the shadow that eyeshadow you're using. If you're using a very glittery one, so obvious that you're gonna see like glitter particles in the mixture that you make. But if you're taking a powder eyeshadow, then chances are comparatively less कि आपको ऐसे glitter दिखेगा. But right now I'm actually loving it. I'm just gonna apply it on my collarbone. And ये मेरा tattoo है ना, tattoo पे apply करती हूँ थोड़ा. मुझे कैमरा में दिख नहीं रहा है. Easy thing to do and ये बहुत कोई rocket science वाला hack नहीं था, because obviously if you're gonna mix like something like that in a oil. So guys, the next hack that I saw online was this one. Wherein you first apply your eyeliner using a concealer, and then you go ahead with any colored eyeshadow over it, and boom, you get a graphic colored eyeliner. So I really found this very fun and quirky to do, because you don't have to invest your money in getting different colored eyeliners, because that's very in right now. I see every other girl wearing, you know, blue liners, yellow liners and all kind of stuff, and they look so cool. So I thought that this hack would come in handy to a lot of you girls who want to experiment with new, you know, shades of eyeshadows and everything. So yes, and guys, जो लोग मुझे पहले से फॉलो करते हैं, सब्सक्राइब करते हैं, उनको पता है कि I do not know how to apply an eyeliner, but I'm gonna try my level best, guys. Please don't judge me on this. I'm just gonna try this hack के लिए मैं सिर्फ लाइनर लगाने का ट्राई करूँगी, but you all know that I can't. So guys, I'm gonna zoom you in and show you how this is looking right now. What we're gonna do is, on the same line that we drew the liner, अब जो शायद fade हो चुका है, I'm just gonna take this yellow shade right here and I'm gonna tap it on there. Shit, fall out. मेरी lower lashes पे आ गया पूरा. Zoom you out, please. Okay, so that was the final result of that, and I absolutely love it because it's actually looking very nice. And सच में ऐसा लग रहा है लाइनर ही लगा रखा है, जस्ट वेरी मैट एंड पाउडर. उसमें ऑब्वियसली वो फॉर्मूला लाइनर जैसा नहीं है, बिकॉज इट्स एन आई शैडो आफ्टर ऑल. वी कैन नॉट डू द परफेक्ट थिंग, बट हैक्स आर हैक्स, एंड आई थिंक I'd give this one a 9 out of 10. So guys, I'm also going to do this on the other eye so that we get to see the whole look एक ही बारी में. So that is my yellow liner all done. So to be very honest, it's a bit more work than to actually buy a colored liner and, you know, directly apply it on your eyes, but we are saving money here. So if you have one palette, like जितने भी कलर्स हैं आपके पास, उतने कलर के लाइनर हैं. मैं इसको उस पर्सपेक्टिव से सोच रही हूँ. हाथ हमारा कुछ इस टाइम ऐसा दिख रहा है. So we're having fun, aren't we? Anyway guys, so I give this hack a big thumbs up. I think it's great, and if I was able to do it, I bet anybody can do it. Just use इसको क्या कहेंगे, एंगुलर ब्रश लाइक दिस, जो आईब्रो फिलिंग के लिए यूज होता है ना, वो ब्रश से आप लाइनर लगाओगे तो बहुत ईजी होगा. बिकॉज आई कैन नॉट डायरेक्टली अप्लाई एन आई लाइनर विद द eyeliner pen or eyeliner brush, मुझसे नहीं होता. But this was so easy. Even this should be a hack. मतलब लाइनर लगाते हैं लोग इससे. So I'm gonna attach a photo as well here somewhere just to give you a better view of how this looks. So the only problem that you will face is the fallout that you get from the eyeshadow on your lashes. So you'll have to reapply like a coat of your mascara, but I think that's fine. We can do that. Also, talking about eyeliners, there's one more hack that I have to share with you guys, which is using a liquid lipstick as your eyeliner. Now that we already have eyeliner on our eyes, we as in me, but I surely want to share this with you all because even I have tried this before. So this is a very famous hack and you might know about it as well. So just take a bit of your liquid lipstick. मैं आईज पे नहीं लगाऊंगी, बट आई जस्ट शो यू अ स्वॉच ऑफ दिस ऑन माई हैंड दैट इट कैन बी यूज एज एन आई लाइनर. सो with that formula, and prefer using a matte lipstick because मतलब it's my personal choice and preference and personal opinion that matte lipsticks as liner stay longer. and अगर आप glossy या कुछ ऐसे यूज़ करोगे वो obvious है कि आपके eyelid पे ऊपर चिपक जाएगा, so that's of no use. So prefer using a matte lipstick and you can easily use that as your eyeliner. And I think I should have used this because at least दिखता है camera पे, because I'm not sure if you can see the yellow on my eyes or not, but it's okay. So guys, for the next hack, and I think my last one, to take my lipstick off because it's a lip shade hack. So what I did was I took a crayon, and to be specific an oil pastel crayon, broke it into 1/4 pieces, and मेरे हाथ पे पूरा कलर कलर है, but yes, and melted it. And melt करने के बाद I have mixed a bit of like coconut oil again in it, and I have made my very own red lipstick right now guys. दिखने में तो काफ़ी अच्छी लग रही है, but I don't know लिप्स पे फील कैसा होगा, लगेगा कैसा. So let's just try this on. I am using a brush again to apply it. What? It feels a bit warm because मैं कितनी फनी लग रही हूँ यार. डॉगी अभी भौंकना मत बंद करो. सॉरी गाइस, डॉगीज भौंक रहे हैं. What? कितनी फनी लग रही हूँ ना, प्लीज डोंट माइंड. गाइस, कैन यू एक्चुअली बिलीव इट, आई एम वेयरिंग अ क्रेयॉन ऑन माई लिप्स. ऐसा लग रहा है मैंने जो उतारी थी उसी का थोड़ा लाइटर शेड उठा के लगा लिया. अच्छा, सो फर्स्टली आई एम जस्ट गोना पुट अ बिट कंसीलर बिकॉज द जो मैंने रिमूव किया था लिपस्टिक उसका नीचे बहुत ज़्यादा फाउंडेशन झड़ गया है. Okay, so the only problem here is it is not applied very correctly, but that's my fault because I do not have the correct lipstick brush that they use for, you know, to apply lipstick. But other than that, I have to give this hack a 10 on 10 because it doesn't look कि मैंने लिपस्टिक पे मतलब एज अ लिपस्टिक एक क्रेयॉन मेल्ट करके लगाया हुआ है अपने उस लिप्स पे. ऐसे तो मैं ब्लू भी बनाऊंगी, ग्रीन भी बनाऊंगी. वाओ. सो गाइज, देख रहे हो तुम घर पे कितने बैठे बैठे मेकअप बन सकते हैं. वाओ, लव इट. ओके, सो अनदर थिंग दैट आई हैव नोटिस्ड इज जो ये फॉर्मूला था जो भी मैंने बनाया था, इट हैज स्टार्टेड लाइक सॉलिडिफाइंग अ बिट. पहले इट वाज लिक्विड, अ लॉट लिक्विड, एंड धीरे धीरे करके इट हैज स्टार्टेड सॉलिडिफाइंग. बट that is not a problem because even after that, like, you can just save it in a small container. You can use it as cream lipsticks. I think that this is a very win-win kind of situation here that we have got, and out of all the hacks, I think this one was my absolute favorite. One more question that still exists is how durable is this, like how long lasting is this. वो तो मैं थोड़े टाइम बाद ये बता पाऊंगी. Like I'll update you guys on my Instagram story, because I think I'm gonna keep this makeup on for a while now, like for about an hour or two, because it's already 1 AM at night. Yes guys, 1 AM at night. So I think 1 घंटे में इसको रखूँगी, and I'll update you guys on my Instagram stories the day this video goes live कि कितना रहा मेरी lips पे, कितनी देर तक रहा ये, because that is a very important factor for any lipstick. We all know that. So guys, that was it for this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this one, and if you did, don't forget to give it a if you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and let me know which hack was your favorite, and also do tag me in your stories if you try any of these hacks, and please do try the last one that I did. I am sure you will be amazed just like me. So yes, do tag me in your stories, and don't forget to like this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. दूसरी बार भी बोल रही हूँ मैं. Thank you, I love you guys so much. Also do let me know in the comments what else would you like to see on my channel. I would love to do that for you guys. Love you. Because